Well, we are in Fetcham today.
At a gorgeous family home that we are about to show you round. Come on in, let's take a look.
Now this home has everything your family could want.
The downstairs spaces are fantastic. Let us show you round.
So here we are in the open plan kitchen breakfast family room where you are going to be spending so much of your time. You've got a utility room over there and doors out onto a beautiful garden.
As well as that, you've got this gorgeous sitting room, which also has doors out onto the garden. And then at the front of the house, you have this fantastic study.
And here we are in your room, which is a brilliant size. It's got a great run of fitted wardrobes and you've got your own bathroom.
Now you've got another ensuite here and then 3 further bedrooms, giving you 5 in total and 3 bathrooms. Now, as well as the house, you've got a garage there and this gorgeous rear garden. But the best thing might be the views here of a beautiful nature reserve.
We are going live on this home straight away, so if you think it could be in your future, get in touch and let us show you round.